the total value with GST of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770. Rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find taxable value CGST and HGST for this toy car. Now see this. First of all, we will write given value. What is the total value? Total value with GST of a remote control toy car, of a remote control toy car. Therefore we only write of a toy car is equal to rupees 1770. Okay, then rate of GST is given. Rate of GST, this is also given. What is 18%? Means we write always 18 upon 100. Now what is the question? Find taxable value, then CGST, HGST. First of all, we don't know this taxable value of toy car, so we write let the taxable value of a toy car, remote control toy car, be rupees X. Okay, now therefore we don't know amount of GST. First of all, we will find out amount of GST. See here, amount of GST. Amount of GST is equal to amount of GST. This is equal to taxable value of a toy car into rate of GST. Into rate of GST we write here. Now we put values. Amount of GST is equal to taxable value of toy car. What is rupees X into rate of GST 18%. We write 18%. This will also 18 upon 100. Therefore, amount of GST is equal to 18 into X. 18X upon 100. Did you understand? This is amount of GST. Okay. Now, see this carefully. Now, this total value with GST of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770. Okay, means this includes amount of GST plus taxable value. So we write here the series, the total value with GST of a toy car is equal to amount of GST plus taxable value of toy car. We use or apply this formula. Now we put here values. See this, the total value with GST of a toy car is 1770 is equal to amount of GST. Here amount of GST 18x upon 100 plus here taxable value of toy car is this X Now this denominator multiplying both sides by 100. Multiplying both sides means left side and right side by 100. Therefore, see this 1770 into 100 means we add another two zeros is equal to, when we multiply to this, 18x upon 100. 18x upon 100 we multiply here also, so 100 cancel, plus multiply to this x also, therefore 100x. Did you understand? Therefore now here 177,000 is equal to 18x plus 100x means 118x. Therefore x is equal to, we take this 118 to the left side because here multiplication when goes to left side then becomes division. Here multiplication so becomes division. Okay, therefore x is equal to 118 ones are 118. Now subtraction, 17 minus 8 means 9. Okay, carry 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we give this 0 here. Okay, 118 5 590. Okay, and these two zeros means x is equal to rupees 1500. This is the taxable value of a toy car. This is taxable value of toy car. This is our first answer. Taxable value of toy car is, write this sentence, is rupees 1500. Then second, find CGST and HGST. So first of all we will find amount of GST. Okay, see this amount of GST. Amount of GST, we use this formula also, no problem at all. See this amount of GST, 18x, see this 18x upon 100 is equal to 18 into 1500 upon 100. These are cancelled. Okay, therefore amount of GST is equal to 18 5s are 90, 18 1s are 18 and 9 27. Did you understand? Means this is amount of GST. Did you understand? Therefore now next, amount of CGST is equal to amount of HGST is equal to half of amount of GST. Always use this formula for amount of CGST is equal to amount of HGST is equal to 1 upon 2 into 270 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Therefore amount of CGST is equal to amount of HGST is equal to rupees 135.